Want to see how I achieve this kinky twist style in my hair? Then keep watching. I'm going to start by sectioning off the front of my hair. I like to do it this way because it makes it easier for me to go through it. Usually I don't start in the front of my hair, I start in the back, but for some reason today I'm doing it different. We'll see how that goes. To do this style today, I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam, and I will link this in the description box for you guys. So what I'm doing right now is parting my hair out all through, and I just realized that I didn't need to add a jam in it just yet because I'm not going to be starting the twist as yet. So I'm going to be holding all the sections in elastic bands, and because I know you guys like to know how much I have in the front and how much I have in the back is the reason why I didn't skip through this part and go straight to twisting the hair in. So I'm going to show you guys how much I have in the front and how much in the back, so you guys could see for yourself how much I have in total. So on this side I have 8, which means I'm going to be doing 8 on the other side. So in total we're going to have 16 in the front. Now for the back, the first row I'm doing 2. For the second row I did 4. For the third row, as you can see here, I did 5. Then the fourth row I did 4. Then the last row, which is the 5th row, I did 3. So the hair that I'm going to be using for my twist today is from YWigs, and this is human hair wig, 100% human hair wig, and as you can see it's curly, and I'm just gonna take like little pieces out so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm also gonna tell you guys how many pieces I'm using for each section to do the twist. Here's a better look at pieces of the hair. It's super curly. I absolutely love the curl pattern of this hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and start my twist, and for each section I'm using 4 pieces. I also stretched the hair before I started, and I'm going to show you that in another clip coming up. But to start the twist off, I don't braid it in. I actually twist it in from the root. I don't usually do it this way because 1, it takes a little bit longer and 2, it goes in easier if I braid it from the root. But today I decided to twist it in from the root, but surprisingly it did not take me as long to do as I was expecting. So as you can see here, I'm twisting one side going up and the other side going down, or you want to say one going clockwise, the other one going counterclockwise. I mean, it's not possible to twist them both the same way anyway. And then I'm twisting it around each other, and as I'm twisting it around each other, continuing to twist them individually. As I get to the end, I bump the hair and then I start twisting it around itself to give it like a little bumped look at the end, but I didn't realize how low I was sitting and I wasn't getting it in the camera. So I'm gonna try to find a different clip that will show you guys exactly what I'm doing there. After I did that, I then wrap it with rubber band to keep it from unraveling. So guys, here's a clip of me stretching the hair. First I put them all together, all 4 pieces, and then I pull on both sides until it looks stretchy and not even anymore. Again, here's another clip of me adding the hair in. As you can see, I twist one side going one way, and then after twisting it enough, I twist the other side going the other way. And again, now that it's tight enough, I'm going to start twisting them around each other. And I'm going to keep twisting them individually, like I said before, while I twist them around each other. So I'm twisting while I'm twisting. Here's a better look at how I did the ends. I fold it and then start wrapping it around itself completely, going up and down, you know, just wrapping it there at the end until the hair was finished, and then I add a rubber band on it. So I'm going to show you guys me doing a few of them in the back also, because you might be thinking that it's easier doing it in the front than the back, but it's really not. As long as you can do it, you can do it whether it's in the front or the back. You could do it anywhere as long as you could do it. Now I'm all done with the twist, and I could have just leave it like this, but I'm feeling like adding some jewelry. I want to glam it up a little bit, you know. It's the holiday, so why not? So I'm going to go ahead and add some hair jewelry to it. I started off with the gold string, and I'm going to also add some little accessories. Here's the finished look, you guys. I really like these short kinky twists, and this style is perfect for anybody that does not like a lot of hair on their head. I'm not gonna lie, I have my days when I don't like a lot of hair on my head. Sometimes it can feel so annoying. You just want to feel, you know, the wind touching your scalp. So like I said, it's perfect for some people who don't like a lot of hair. The style took me about 4 hours to finish, and the pack of hair that I showed you guys in the beginning, I used 2 of those to complete this look. The hair is available on their website, which I will link in the description box, along with a discount code so you guys could get some money off your purchase. Like I said before, guys, you could start this style by braiding the roots. You don't have to twist it from the root if that's a problem for you. Also, just in case you don't like the way I did the ends, you could twist it all the way down to the end and not having to bump it like I did. You could even do it smaller if you want, maybe even bigger, even though I don't recommend doing it bigger, especially since the hair is so short. But yeah, you could definitely do it smaller, and then you'll have more hair you know, to play with. As usual, guys, if you have any questions, if there's anything that I did not cover, go ahead and leave them down in the comment box, and I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!